What's up, guys? What's cracking? And welcome back. Your boy is starting to vlog off in the car because I've been doing a couple things, okay? Early in some of the videos this week, I told you that I'm trying to get the car. How I look, first of all. Moses is in the vlog. Moses! Yeah. Can I get a roof? He didn't hear me. Can I get a roof? First of all, what is with that drool, my boy? Oh, ladies, he's out here. Come get him. I call him the drooler. Anyways, I'm getting distracted. I just came from the store. All right, I found the store to powder coat my wheels. I got to get my wheels off, and they're dirty, and then I got to clean them, right? So I'm going to scrub a dub, a lub a dub. Then I got to take the wheels off, all right? So I use Facebook Marketplace, all right? And I got me a cord, not cordless, a cord impact tool. I got a cord impact tool, so I'm gonna use that impact tool. I bought this. I looked on the forums and it said a 22 millimeter now. Shit better work, because on the forums it says that the lug nuts on the Camaro ZL1 is a 14.5, and it is used a 22 millimeter impact tool to remove it. I hope that is true. As I'm talking, we are driving towards the house now, so that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned. Like I said, hopefully this works. It needs to work. It has to work. Yeah. I gave the car a little wax yesterday. Looked nice. I did majority, like half the car. Today I'm going to do the rest of it, so stay tuned for that. I'm hoping it comes out nice. I'm excited. But like I said, guys, I'm gonna jack this car up. I don't have anything to leave the car up on, honestly. Shoot, I didn't think about that. Might have to fix that problem. So if the lug nuts don't work, I'll go back and buy some jack stands. But I'm gonna jack the car up, take the wheels off, and then we are done. Hopefully that works. Again, I'm using a 22 millimeter. We're pulling up to the house now. Let's go. I'm gonna just stick it on there, and this better work. I swear to God, I swear. All right, we are here. You see the baby. These are the lug nuts. They're 6-point, please. 22. Come on, baby. Yes, 22 millimeters, baby. It works. There's a little bit of gap, but it works. Woo! All right, so I straightened up the garage a little bit. I still got a nice fat set of 305 3020s. Big shout out to Amazon because they accidentally shipped me extra. This is my little handy dandy tool set. So we're gonna pull that out like so. Like I was saying, I don't want to shoot in 4K. I bought this high-speed little cool thing from Walmart. Boom, slides open. You got this compartment. I don't know what I'm gonna put in there. Probably put that in there when I'm done. I got this little compartment for extra stuff. And of course I got these other little tool sets. I don't have nothing super fancy. In here, I have like some extra brake pads for the car. I have a bike, wherever the hell that is. I have a heat gun. I have a standing light. But this is what I bought from Facebook Marketplace. And yeah, hopefully that's all I need. It should be a easy peasy. How the hell? Boom. Boom. We in there, guys. Okay. Yeah, I really look like this. Took a quick break. Got one off. The fronts come off easy. I can't get the rears off because it's just one nut in the rear that I cannot get off. And that is gonna be the little security one. I just can't get that crap off. It's killing me. Damn it. All right, you beautiful Americans. Like I said, the back's giving me issues, so I took the front off first. I don't want to show up to the shop with them caked up and dirty, so we dropped them. I took them off, put them in the front. I used some Chemical Guys, let's see, Chemical Guys Diablo wheel cleaner for all wheel types. Chemical Guys, you know, shout out to them. We'll see how it works. I usually do Adams. Adams is pretty tough, pretty strong. Chemical Guys, they say it's a little softer, so I'll try that. One time I left Adams on my car rim for too long and it actually ate away some of the paint. I'm not trying to get it to perfection. I just don't want to show up to the shop with these looking like freaking ridiculous. As a painter, they should touch up on the car a little bit. That's what I think, at least. Or wipe down the wheels a little bit, but I'm not gonna show up with it dirty, right? That's like showing up to, it's a car doctor. That's like showing up to the freaking doctor with your clothes all stink. I don't think you should do that, right? So anyways, let's go drop these off and then I'll come back for the other two because I don't have enough jack stands and I want to do it safely. If I can't get that off, I need to get the proper tool as well. So that's the deal. Perfect. We just got a talking to see how much the wheels are gonna be. I'm gonna get in the car and then talk to you guys. Woo! All right, guys. So we got that done with the car. I'm glad at least that was conducted. Let me put this down. So what we came up with was, it's hot. And I know y'all can hear that AC, but I need it on. And I'm sweating like ridiculous. But anyway, so it's gonna be $130 a wheel. That's not bad. And then we're just gonna go with a matte gloss color. Matte gloss color is gonna be what we're gonna go with. It's easier, it's the best option. I wasn't gonna do like copper or metallic, but gloss black it is. I think the Z will look a lot better with that on there. And yeah, that's it for now, man. I'm keeping you guys in the loop. If you guys think there's a better color out there, let me know in the comments below. We could change it up and switch it up. But I don't wanna do too much because every time I change a color, powder coating actually weakens the metal. It's an alloy wheel now, so you know they try to stay as light and for performance to keep, and also to keep safety. But you know when you powder coat, that breaks down the metal. You're stripping it, heating it up, putting it back, blah 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 blah. So you actually mess up the metal a little bit. So one time powder coating is all you can do unless you got a death wish out there. And God know when I be doing a buck something in there, I don't want a freaking tire to blow off. But let's head to the house. I bought this, so now we have some better tools to take stuff apart and jack it up. Guys, I'm back. We had to take a break. I ended up getting this from AutoZone. Quick little lift set, man. Got some more lifts, a jack, and definitely the bed. I really just needed this, but this was like 54 bucks, and then for 30 bucks more, you get the whole kit. Why not get the kit? Because right now I have only one jack holding the car up, or one stand, and then the other side, as you can see over there, is a freaking jack stand itself. And then I got a jack here, which is unsafe and stupid. So do it that way, I'm gonna do it right. That's how we're gonna play it. Let's take this box apart and see what we have inside. Finally got the right tools and down to the last wheel, thank God. Guys, that is it. I'm done. This video is gonna be long enough. All the wheels are off the car. She is suspended in the air. I have 3 jack stands, so yes, that one is just lifted by the scissor jack. I can't leave it on the hydraulic jack because the hydraulic jack can actually lower slowly but surely. Other than that, we're gonna leave it on the scissors, and hopefully it's still here when we come tomorrow. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching. Like always, it's your boy Josh. You were watching I Stay Josh, and thanks. Please like, subscribe, and let me know some constructive criticism in the comments or whatever, but I think it's gonna be sick. I need you guys to help me vote. Gold, black, or red. Or I was thinking left side gold, right side red. I need to know.